Hello everyone, welcome back again to Philippine Expat Country Living. Say hi, Daile. I am making here a buns. And this is one loaf bread here. I make a lot. So we are heating the oven. We are making patty, what we call this under, patty sardine, a patty burger. Marami. Okay guys, here is now the buns. That's the second batch. This is the first batch, a little bit.
And leave it in there. Let it finish cooking.
Can you flip over? Perfect, guys. See?
You see what we got here.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, good.
We're having burger here, guys. Burger buns. Right, Daile?
Yeah, these would be good burger buns.
Ah, yummy. Many.
That was a little bit too long on the
top.
Yeah, like I said, we'll get it.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Anyway, this is only, guys, a experiment, so this is a little bit okay. And I have bread here. Yan. Okay. Yum yum. Breakfast, guys. This is the buns that I bake. Yan. I add butter. So, para masarap. So, this is vegetables with corned beef. Ayan. At saka papaya po ito, guys. Ito, oh. Yan, papaya po yan. I save all papayas. Then, I put in the ref. So, every time I cook vegetables, I'm going to add papaya, right? So, look at the buns here. This is Philip food, guys. The buns. So, yan. Thanks for watching again. Please don't forget to comment and thumbs up, guys. So, I'll be back later.